Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I'm going to show you this. It's a bow tie, so let's open this up without cutting it. There we go. And did I not? I didn't even get it open. There we go. Okay, here. Oh, I guess I did. And here it is. So this is it. It's going to be a clip-on bow tie. So you can see this is what it looks like there. It is a bow tie. So the way it will work is we'll go around here, and then it just has its little clip right there. So there we go. So now, how professional do I look? So debonair. It's a nice little bow tie. It actually is really nice. Look at it up close here. Sorry about my unshavenness, but you get the idea. It looks really nice there, and it'll be hidden under your collar, all this other stuff here, so you don't really see that it's a clip-on. People can think that you tied it yourself. You can start wearing bow ties all the time. You'll look super snazzy like me. So how cool is that? So I'm going to say this is a nice looking bow tie. Is there any other information on it? Luckyvestir bow ties. So for a banquet or something. So it looks good. I like it. Thumbs up.